Hi, good morning from Costa Rica. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is our first video from Costa Rica. We will be spending 1 month driving around and discovering this beautiful country. So stick around to see all the activities and nice places to discover with a family in Costa Rica. Let's go! Our trip started with a stop in San José. We had a very late flight, so we decided to stop for 2 nights to recover and pick up the rental car that was delivered to our hotel. So the planning center, Toby is planning for the storm. On our first day in San Jose, there was a tropical storm alert, the tropical storm called Bonnie. So instead of driving down to Tortuguero, we were advised to book 1 additional night in San Jose, and we changed accommodation. We went for a bigger hotel with a nice swimming pool for the kids to enjoy while we waited for the storm to pass. Let me show you a bit around Hacienda Belen. We have a beautiful room. It's a double room with 2 double beds, so it's enough for 4 people. The kids are watching wildlife in front of the window. Do you like the room, Lucas?
Yes.
Yeah. They have lots of birds here on the property.
Yeah,
Yeah, and there, the background, that's the Pause volcano. It's a bit in the clouds now. You can take a self-guided tour over the property. There's palm trees, blood trees, lots of plants, and many birds here. Let's go have a look. Going for breakfast. Finally, the storm was less serious than expected and there was no longer a risk of flooding. After checking with our accommodation, we decided to make our way to our next stop, the beautiful Tortuguero National Park, coming up next. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are now in Costa Rica and as you can see from the background